Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sci-Fi229. We got another box here. This is a big ass box. This is from Team Rated CDS. I know a few things that are in here, but I don't know everything that's in here, so we're gonna check this box out. Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep it under 10 minutes so I don't have to edit anything. So, if you hear the dog barking, sorry, because he's gonna bark no matter what. So here is Nakamura. This was for uploading his show last month. Nakamura. Fucking smells weird. A Braun Strowman. Oh boy. Here's the Seth Rollins that Jesus Customs sent me. Oh, it's beautiful. Gotta swap the arms though. He sent me another Baron Corbin. Somebody already sent me a Baron Corbin. Pretty sure it was Cody. Now I've got two. I don't even like Baron Corbin. But I'll take him, I guess. Oh, it's Vince McMahon. Oh boy. Darren Young. Bray Wyatt wearing Nakamura's armband. And everybody's just trying to cosplay as Nakamura. Michael Tarver. And that's everything. Alright, well, this is everything I got. Don't ask me what series these things are, because I don't fucking know. I don't even know what series anything is anymore. But, this Rollins is gonna need an arm swap. Probably a knee pad swap as well. I'll probably do that after I'm done filming, because as you can see here, I'm supposed to be filming this, but yeah. Slight update. Judgment Day is a little bit delayed because I've been waiting for this package because Mr. Rollins is in a match and I needed to get this JTM from Team Rated CDS as well. As you can see, he's got his Bullet Club attire now. The other JTM was chipping a lot, so I just asked him to do another attire, and since JTM, AJ Styles, and Finn Balor are all in my Bullet Club, I decided to do a Bullet Club attire. So yeah, he looks a lot nicer now. But yeah, this is quite a package. I don't know where any of these guys are gonna go, but all of these guys will definitely be used, especially Nakamura and the Rollins and fucking Braun Strowman. Thanks for watching. See ya.